Hello, it's Wednesday, November the 24th, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The dollar strengthened against most majors following investor concern that the Irish aid package will not be enough to stabilise the European market, driving them to seek the safety of the US dollar. GDP came out 2.50% better than expected, 2.40%, with existing home sales coming out at 4.43 million, better than the expected 4.42 million. Stock markets in the US closed with the Dow Jones falling by 1.27% and Nasdaq by 1.46%. Crude weakened by 0.58% and closed at $80.96 a barrel, and gold rose by 9.51% and closed at $1,376.21 an ounce. Irish anxiety also sent the euro into free fall against the dollar to the tune of 250 pips. The trend will remain bearish, although there is a possibility of a technical correction today. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 133.60 and a high of 136.14. Sterling fell nearly 200 pips against the US dollar. As long as the pound dollar remains below 158.80, the trend is negative and a short position is preferred. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 157.59 and a high of 159.54. Today, GDP is expected unchanged at 0.80%, and business investment is expected at 0.60% versus 0.70% prior. The yen fell against the dollar after the dollar broke the 83.40 resistance level, only to close as it opened. Despite the bullish trend, the pair seems to constantly get caught in a range. Capturing the breakout may be the preferred strategy. With the pair trading above 83.15, a long position is preferred. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 82.78 and a high of 83.84. Today, no economic data is expected. The Canadian dollar fell versus its US counterpart for a second day as Europe's sovereign debt contagion drives investors from higher-yielding assets and currencies of countries dependent on commodities for growth. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 101.60 and a high of 102.64. Today, no major economic data is expected. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxbank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.